Hello guys, welcome to the Hackerman show back again and in this video I will show you how to make a splash screen. The screen that appears for a few seconds at the beginning of the app is known as splash screen. So let's get started. So first of all we have to make a new activity, new empty activity. Let's give the name splash activity. So here we got the splash activity, and now we have to design the splash screen. So let's give a background color. So I'm making a app like a to-do list. So I will give some purple color, or say like this, and I will give an image view. So here is the image view. I will give this wrap content, and I will give the constraint parent, and let's make a vector image first. So in the drawable folder I have to make that image, a new vector asset, and I already select this. Just click here and you can find any vector that you want, like this kind of vectors are there. I select this, done all. So here it is, and I give the color white and everything as it is, and next, and finish. Now src and this, see, I got that, and here you can increase the size as you want, and this will be our splash screen. That will appear at the first screen. So but now it will not show because in the Miniface file the launcher activity is the main activity, and we have to change it with this. So let me show you first. So we have to copy this. So we have to copy this, cut, now it will show. So till then let's make the splash screen with full handler, because we have to show the splash screen only for a seconds, like 4 seconds or 5 seconds or highest 20 seconds, and then we need to intend to the main activity, like it is showing the main activity, like hello world is in the main activity, but we need to show this splash. So for that we had made this changes in the manifest file intent lower. Now it will show the splash screen first, but we need to make the splash screen accurately. So let me give you the overview that how to do this. My system is slow, that's why it takes some time to, but this is not going to this activity. I need to intend to this activity, but it is working fine. But now we need to change this, so let's do. Handler equal to new handler semicolon handler dot post delete. Now new runnable, and here we need to give the semicolon and a splash time. I gave it 4000. 4000 means 4 seconds. Now we need to intend to the main activity. So new intent. So we need to give the splash means this activity name, and to the activity where you want to intend, that is main activity. In how much time it will intend? After 4 seconds. And then we need to give the finish. Finish means it will finish the work of this activity, and it will directly intend to the main activity dot class after 4 seconds. So this is called splash screen. So let me show you. Very short video, guys. So if you need more this kind of videos, then you can subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I will try to show you animated splash screen. And this is the splash screen, and it's intent after 4 seconds. Yes, hello. Let's give it 2 seconds. So this is it. So this is the simple thing that we need to make. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much.